students, welcome back. In our last lecture, you study our second chapter. What is the name of this chapter? Aesop's Fables. In this lesson, you study two fables. The first fable name is The Stag at the Pool and the second fable name is The Dog in the Manger. In these two fables, you gave to the moral message. These two fables give you to moral message. What is the moral message of these two fables give you? The first fable give you the message of which thing you have you, which is bad or good. You have to satisfied of that because everything is useful for you. And the second poem and the second fables give you a message which thing you have, but you are not using that. So you have to allow someone else to use it. If you not allow, it is a very bad thing. So these two message give you these two fables. So now, and also we study the exercise of these lesson. And in this exercise you study 3 questions. Yesterday you studied 3 questions. Now we are going to start our today's exercise. And in this exercise we are studying our question number 4. Question number 4 is who said to whom? Who said to whom? In this question, you have three statements. You have 3 statements here. We say 3 examples, and you who said to whom, and you are correctly. So first example is how beautiful. The first example is how beautiful all these curving antlers how they add to my beauty. This first example is how beautiful all these curving antlers and how they add to my beauty. Who said to whom? How beautiful all these curving antlers. Who said it? The stag. Who said it? The stag said it. How they add to my beauty? Whom? The stag said it, but whom? He said to himself. ये जो stag था, how beautiful all these curving antlers, how they add to my beauty. ये जो sentence था, मतलब मेरी जो beautiful antlers है, ये मेरी सुंदरता को बढ़ा रहे. ये किसने कहा है? ये stag ने खुद से ही कहा था. तो इसका आंसर क्या लिखेंगे हम? The stag said to himself. The stag said to himself. Now, the another example. How I wish that nature had given me legs worthy of my stately antler. How I wish that nature had given me legs worthy of my stately antlers. Now this example, who said to whom? How I wish that nature had given me legs worthy of my stately antlers. ये भी जो सेंटेंस है ये किसने किससे कहा है? द स्टैग सेड टू हिमसेल्फ. ये भी स्टैग ने खुद से ही कहा था. सो नाउ वी आर राइट द आंसर. द स्टैग सेड टू हिमसेल्फ. These two examples, first you write it in your notebook and the another example I write after that. You write down in your notebook, students. Okay. Now the another example, the third example. The third example. I realize now that my ugly feet saved my life. Now the last and third example. I realize now that my ugly feet saved my life. Saved my life. Who said to whom? Who said to whom? These example. Who said to whom? I told you when I explained the lesson. That time I told you. These example is in our first fables. These lines has in our first fables. So also the first two examples also have in our first fable stag at the pool, and these last also has it of these fables. So I realize now that my ugly feet saved my life. ये किसने किससे कहा है? फिर ये लास्ट वाली लाइन है और ये भी स्टैग ने ही खुद से ही बोला था ये. सो नाउ द स्टैग said to himself. These three examples, all three examples has in our first fables, and all three examples answer is same. The stag said to himself. Okay, you understood this question? Who said to whom? Now we are going to turn our next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. In this question, students, you have to write the hidden words. You have to give us some example of these words, and you have to write the hidden words of these words. So first I write the question. Find a smaller words. Words hidden in the following words. So the first example is reflection. 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 So students, you told me reflection. In this word, how many the smaller words? You have to make some other small words of these words. आपको यहाँ पे ये जो एग्जाम्पल्स दिए जाएंगे, जो वर्ड्स यहाँ पे दिए जाएंगे, उसका यूज करके उस वर्ड्स में जो छोटे छोटे जो स्मॉल वर्ड्स छुपे हुए वो वर्ड्स आपको यहाँ पे राइट करने हैं. तो यहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्शन से हमें वर्ड राइट करना है। रिफ्लेक्शन से कौन से वर्ड तैयार होते हैं फिर? रिफ्लेक्ट। द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज रिफ्लेक्ट एंड द अनदर वर्ड इज ऑन। सो REFLECT. The first is reflect and the another is on. ON, on. The second word, delighted. In this word, DELIGHTED. This is the spelling of this word. So in this word, have a one small word, light. LIGHT, light. The third word, graceful. GRACEFUL, graceful. In this word have a three hidden word. First is a grace, the second is a full, and also the third is race. You see it? So now we write it GRACE, grace, RACE, race, FUL, full. The fourth is hunter, HUNTER, hunter. In this word also you have it two hidden words. First is a HUNT, hunt, and the second is UN, un. HUNT, hunt, and the second one is UN, un. Now the fifth number, thicket, THICKET. In this word you have a one small word, thick, THICK, thick. You write down in your notebook. Okay, once again I read it. Reflection, delighted, graceful, hunter, and thicket. These are the 5 words. In this word, reflect and on, these 2 words you find it. In this word delighted, light, one word you find it. And in this graceful, in this word you have to find 3 words, race, race, full. hunter, hunter, in इस वर्ड में आपको 2 वर्ड्स मिलेंगे, हंट एंड UN, on. ठीक है, in this word you gave you 1 word. Now you write down in your notebook. Okay, now I erase it and I write the other words on board. Sixth number, growth, GROWTH, growth. 7 number, dislike, eight, afternoon. 9, FIRMLY, firmly. 10, upset. Also again you see the 5 words of these questions. So growth, in this word you have find 2 words. First is GROW, grow, and the second one is ROW, raw. GROW, grow, ROW, raw. Dislikes, in this word you have 2 words, DIS, disc, LIKE, like. Also in these words, the 8 number words, afternoon. The first word is after, NOON, noon, and the third one is ON, on, again. AFTER, after, NOON, noon, ON, on. and firmly. In this word you have to find one word, F-I-R-M, firm. And the last one, upset. In this word, two words we got it. U-P, up, S-E-T, set. So our question number 5, find a smaller word hidden in the following words. The first 5 words you write in your notebook, and also these 5 words you write down in your notebook.